So now let's we sort of go a little bit further, right? Let's move a little bit more into sort of the downstream, the manufacturing and the supply chain side of things, right? So in terms of that, how is the overall sort of setup in India for manufacturing of these products? You know, how does that landscape look? And then we can talk about the supply chain side as well.
Yeah, I think from a manufacturing perspective, I would say that actually in general in health and wellness, there is lots of export. And so if you look deep enough, there are lots of high quality manufacturing facilities. Maybe a lot of them are not manufacturing for Indian brands specifically, but if you look deep enough, there has been a history and a legacy of quality. I think if I were to speak about my space specifically, actually, there are lots more manufacturers than brands. Lots of people are contract manufacturers are running really, really small brands. And so we saw a gap between the small brands and the very, very large brands in terms of there being limited number of medium brands. And that's the opportunity that we leveraged off of. But if I think about manufacturing, right, and choosing a manufacturing partner, and we had the good fortune of